Puro papi, I love you forever. Puro ponchis ponchis, eh? Puro Mexican power, amigos.
Just a short drive from Ensenada in Mexico, there's a very special place where the ocean shoots water high into the air like a giant water fountain. It's called La Bufadora, and it's one of the most famous places people love to visit in Baja California. It's loud, fun, colorful, and it feels like the ocean is putting on a show just for you. Getting there, pick your adventure. There are a few different ways people can travel to La Bufadora, depending on their budget and how they like to explore. Some people take private tours where a guide picks them up, drives them, and shows them around. Others use Uber or a taxi, which gives them more time to walk around and eat or relax after. And for people who want to save the most money, they can ride the local bus from downtown Ensenada. It's slower, but it's cheap and a fun way to see more of the area. The ride itself is beautiful. The road twists and turns past green hills and then along the blue Pacific Ocean. You can look out the window and see the water shining in the sun. So we're budget travelers, and we decided that we're going to go
Head south on Avenida Hidalgo toward Cuarta, move Realismo, then turn right onto Cuarta.
That's our map. So instead of doing the tour route or Uber, we're going to take the local colectivo, or what they call these transit buses, where it'll take us to the area, the blowhole area. So we don't have to pay $25 for Uber. Yeah, we afford it, but it's a good experience for the kids to explore the way the way the locals do it. So we're gonna go and find this colectivo at the central bus station and take the bus, maybe about $1 each, and go from there. When you arrive, the market street, when you get to La Bufadora, there's a parking lot where you leave your car or where the bus drops you off. Nearby, there's a bathroom you can use for $1, which is very common in tourist spots in Mexico. Then comes one of the best parts, the walkway to the blowhole. It's like stepping into a lively market. So I'm going to ask you something. I have a surprise for you. Come here. Can you tell me what this is?
Is that a trumpet?
A trumpet? So you think it's a trumpet? What else do you think it is?
It has little feet.
It's little feet. A trumpet with little feet. That's what it is. On both sides of the path, you'll see rows of colorful vendor stands. They sell hats, t-shirts, silver jewelry, keychains, woven bags, and many kinds of snacks. You'll smell yummy food like grilled shrimp and tacos. You'll hear music, maybe mariachi songs or cheerful tunes from a speaker. Seagulls fly above as people laugh and bargain for souvenirs. It's a busy place, but it's exciting, like a party by the ocean. The big moment, the blowhole. Then you hear it, a deep, rumbling whoosh. The ocean rushes through a hole in the rocks and shoots water straight into the air like a geyser. Everyone around cheers, laughs, or screams a little when they get splashed. It's fun to stand close and feel the cool mist hit your face. The blowhole doesn't just happen once. It goes again and again as the waves push water into the cave below. Sometimes the spray goes so high it looks like the sky is sparkling, capturing the memory. Many people like to take pictures or fly drones to capture the moment. From above, the cliffs and the blue ocean look amazing, and you can see tiny people gathered around, waiting for the next big splash.
Amigo, buenos días. Buenas tardes, estamos aquí en la Bufadora, en el restaurante Blanquita, amigo. Venimos ofreciendo las almejas gratinadas, amigo, que viene siendo la carne de la almeja, cebolla, jitomate, cilantro, mantequilla, aceite, salsa, queso y camarón, amigo. Es un producto del mar, amigo, bien sabroso, amigo, que es una tradición de aquí de la Bufadora, amigo. También contamos con piñas coladas, micheladas, margaritas, palomas, mojitos, todo lo que gusten bebidas, amigo. Y también tenemos la parte de arriba del restaurante. Tenemos langosta, aguachile, tacos de pescado, camarón, asada, cócteles, todo lo que ocupan el marisco y su comida mexicana, amigo. Pero lo más sabroso aquí en la Bufadora son las almejas, amigos. Riquísimas las almejas, amigos, ¿eh? Oiga, amigo, también tenemos una bonita vista para aquel lado, mire. De ahí arriba del restaurante, una bonita vista, pura zona VIP, amigos, ¿eh?
Okay, we're gonna dive into this almejas, and they were grilling it for about a couple of minutes. So this is loaded with cheese, and it's got some spices, and what's in there? Maybe some green onions. It's definitely loaded with cheese. So I'm gonna give it a try, and I guess you eat it with a cracker. It's my first time trying it. Okay.
It looks delicious.
It does. Okay. What is that? Pieces of shrimp? What is that?
Shrimp and...
Yeah, there's shrimp in here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna eat it with the cracker, just to try it. Ooh, that's cheesy.
It looks like spaghetti.
Mmm.
It tastes like spaghetti.
Absolutely delicious. Really, really good. Must try.
Talk about for years, eating with a view. After all the excitement, you can sit at a restaurant on the cliff overlooking the ocean. The food might cost a little more here, but it's worth it because of the view. You can eat fresh seafood like ceviche, shrimp, and fish while watching the waves crash below. The air feels fresh and the sea breeze cools your face. Why people love it, La Bufadora isn't just a tourist spot. It's a special experience. It's a mix of nature, fun, food, and friendly people. You can get there in fancy or simple ways, but the magic is the same when you stand there, hear the loud roar, and see the ocean spray. People leave with full bellies, bags of souvenirs, big smiles, and maybe a few drops of ocean water on their clothes. It's the kind of place you'll remember for a long, long time.
What else do they have here? She's roasting some. Oh, he's roasting some almonds. That looks good.
Candy Sofía.
Candy Sofía, ¿qué vendes aquí en su tienda?
Vendo dulces mexicanos, vendo todos los dulces. Y vendo calabaza, camote, cocadas, tamarindo, mango, gomitas. Hay de todos los dulces mexicanos. Garapiñados, guayaba, paletas, chocolates. La cocada.
Cocada, sí.
Son cocadas tradicionales, son horneados. El blanco es coco natural.
Natural.
Coco con piloncillo.
Coco piloncillo.
Y el amarillo es coco con vainilla.
We got to experience the blowhole. It was really cool. And definitely would come back here again.